Assalamu alaikum, dear student. How are you? I hope that you are well by the Almighty, great of Almighty Allah. Today I came back to our online class. You are welcome to my online class. Dear student, I am Saidur Rahman, assistant teacher, Shojia Rahman High School, Budpara Muttiha, Rajshahi. And the student of class 9 and 10, you are welcome. At first, dear student, let's enjoy a video.
Lions are supposed to be the kings of the jungle, but no one told this plucky little mongoose, who dramatically took on these 4 lions and escaped with his life. When photographer Jerome...
Okay, my dear student, you have already enjoyed a video. Here, no other god is as brave as this god. Dear student, this god is braver than any other god. Very few gods are as brave as this god. This god is braver than most other gods. Dear student, you have already followed this example. So our today's topic is transformation of sentence from positive to comparative. Dear student, after finish this lesson, you will be able to learn the following things. Dear student, at the end of this lesson, we will be able to identify the structure of changing positive into comparative, change positive into comparative. Dear student, again, let's enjoy a video.
From the BART train to a tour bus, still the same game except I'm pulling more sluts, more butts, more bucks, never giving more fucks. Did it my way, I'm never taking shortcuts. Raised in a town like fool, who put you up on, huh? E40 Mac Dre's who I grew up on. I've been selling game, got you if you need a cue up on. You can check my resume, see every beat I throw up on. Smoking on grapes, rolling up swishers.
Okay, my dear student. Now, no other football match is as good as this. Dear student, we can say that this better than any other football match. So, how to change positive to comparative as adding no other? If we see at first of a sentence started with no other, then how can we change this sentence into comparative degree? Dear student, the comparative sentence, the structure of comparative degree is subject plus verb plus comparative form of adjective plus then any other plus noun word after no other. We use noun after no other. Okay, my dear student, no other country is as nice as Bangladesh. Dear student, no other creature is as slow as the tortoise. The tortoise is slower than any other creature. Dear student, again follow the other example. No other scenery is as beautiful as this. Dear student, now change the sentences into comparative form. No other gift is as fine as this. We can say that this is finer than any other gift. No other man is as wise as he. He is wiser than any other man. No other student is as keen as he. He is keener than any other student. Okay, my dear student, now do this at home. Practice this at home. How to change positive degree from positive to comparative, adding with the word very few. If we see the first, at the beginning of a sentence, we start with very few, then how can we change this into comparative degree? Dear student, at first we use subject, then verb, then comparative form of adjective using the previous sentence. Then we used then most other, and the next we use noun. The noun which used after very few. Very few countries are as nice as Bangladesh. Dear student, this is the positive degree, and what will be the comparative degree of this sentence? Dear student, Bangladesh is nicer than most other countries. The comparative form of this sentence will be Bangladesh is nicer than most other countries. Dear student, very few fishes are as big as this. This is bigger than most other fishes. Very few ships are as large as this. Dear student, this is larger. This is larger than most other ships. This is larger than most other ships. Dear student, these activities will be set for homework or class home practice. Since the sentences into comparative degree. Here the sentences are: very few boys are as bright as he. He is brighter than most other boys. Very few kings of India were as great as Akbar. Akbar was greater than most other kings of India. Very few places are as clean as Switzerland. Dear student, the comparative form of this sentence will be: Switzerland is Switzerland is cleaner than most other places. Very few rivers are as big as the Padma. The Padma is bigger than most other rivers. Very few schools are as digital as Cambrian or GI school or any other school maybe. GI school is more digital than most other school. Okay, my dear student. Again, another example, dear student. The lion is as big as the tiger. The tiger is not bigger than the lion. So, how to change positive degree to comparative degree? Using as plus adjective plus as. If the sentence bears the word as plus adjective plus as, so how can we change it into comparative degree? Dear student, at first we use subject, then verb with not, plus comparative form of adjective, plus then, plus subject. Again, follow this example. Sadiq is as tall as Shafi. What will be the answer of comparative form of this sentence? Sadiq is not taller than Sadiq. Shafiq is not taller than Shafiq. Dear student, another example. The dove is as attractive as the pigeon. The pigeon is not more attractive than the dove. Again, dear students, change the sentences into comparative. I would like to help you to do as this sentence at home. He is as meritorious as Rohim. Rohim is not more meritorious than he. The buffalo is as quiet as the cow. The cow is not more quiet than the buffalo. The Jamuna is as long as the Meghna. The Meghna is not longer than the Jamuna. My car runs as fast as yours. Yours car do not run faster than mine. My mother looks as fine as yours. Your mother does not look finer than my mother. Dear student, do this at home. Change the sentences into comparative form. I am reading out these sentences. No other player is as good as Neymar. Very few mountains are as high as the Everest. Number 3, you are not as bright as he. Number 4, my hair looks as carved as yours. Number 6, no other school is as disciplined as our school. Number 6, very few cities are as populated as Dhaka. Dear student, no more today. You stay at home, maintaining the rules of health. Allah Hafiz. শান্ত আচ্ছা